National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ashland County, northeastern Knox County, northern Holmes County, southern Wayne County until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Loudonville and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Shreve, Holmesville, Nashville, Mount Eaton, Dalton. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Knox, and Wayne. Urgent weather message for the following